Hello everyone, my name is Shunku, and today we are going to be discussing about the raised bed gardening system. So, this is actually what we are going to read. So, this raised bed gardening is a form of gardening where the soil is raised above the ground level and usually enclosed in some way. So, it is raised above the ground and it is enclosed in some way. It is a structure that encloses the whole system. Raised bed structure can be made of wood, rock, concrete, or other material that is like plastic and everything, and can be of any size and shape. The soil is usually enriched with compost. The compost for growth. Okay, vegetables are grown in geometric pattern much closer together than in conventional row gardening. The spacing is such that when vegetables are grown fully and their leaves just barely touch each other, creating a microclimate in which weed growth is suppressed and moisture is conserved. So the spacing is so that the leaves will touch each other and create a microclimate in the soil because the sun rays could not come and there is microbial growth and other things. So this is the water in the soil is not evaporated or utilized. The nutrient and the water is utilized by some weeds. So in between this there are some weed growths that is checked. So there is no weed growth, that's why it is good. Okay, so okay, let me see it. Okay, okay. Let me show it again. So the overview is raised bed lend themselves to develop a complex agriculture system that utilize many of the principles and methods of permaculture. Okay, permaculture के the methods of permaculture. Okay, they can be used efficiently control erosion, recycle and conserve water and nutrients by building them along contour and several commonly available contour and lines on slopes. Material of construction. Okay, lumber is the most common construction material for making raised beds. The lumber is the most common material. If you use lumber, create the copper arsenate or CCA through the common utilized USA or Euro standard CCA. Okay, chromate copper arsenate. Okay, that is utilized and the benefits. Okay, let me show you the benefits. Okay, this is the benefits. So these are the benefits. Raised bed produce a variety of benefits. The benefits are they extend the planting season. They can reduce weed if designed and planned properly. Reduce weed if designed and planned properly, and they reduce reduce the need to use reduce the need to use poor native soil. Okay, we don't use native soil and raise the soil level with organic material and raise the height, and on the top of that so this is the organic and the natural soil that might be burden or something. We get the structure of 1 to 2 feet high and fill it with organic material or compost, and then this is the plant. Okay, let me show you. This is the plant. Okay, this is the raised bed structure, and this is the plant. Okay, this is the barren land. As you can see, there is no growth. Okay, there is no growth. So this is the raised bed structure, and there is a heavily grown fruit. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, and there is another variety or something else or different method. In the waffle garden, this is a sunken garden. Okay, we previously understood about the raised garden. This is sunken garden. This is the normal structure. If this is raised garden and this is sunken garden. So if we have excess, let me say, if in this situation we have excess water, this thing get waterlogged and the plant will die. So this is the raised structure, This is the plant. Okay, this is the plant. So this is not waterlogged. So this is not waterlogged, and plant growth is there. This is waterlogged, so this will die off. Okay, and this is a sunken bed. In this situation, let me see the color, change the color. So there is no water, generally no water. So what happens, the water runs off from this area, this area, this area, this area, and this area. Okay, and the water comes here. Generally this area lacks water, the water comes here, and the plant actually grows healthy, otherwise it will be turned into barren land. Okay, so let me change the color again. So this is a sunken garden. A waffle garden is the refers of raised bed and is gardening method of Juni people in in an arid climate. As I said, arid climate, clay wall are built up around the planting area and the plants are watered by filling the bed cells. Okay, thus lower area are watered and the raised area accumulate the water in the sunken area. That's why sunken area remains watered for longer time and the plant growths are there. This is the natural land and this is the sunken area. Okay, this is the sunken area. That's all the water comes here and the plant vegetation growth is there. The term sunken garden usually refer to a non-formal traditional English garden where the garden is lower than the surrounding land, may have multiple terraces. Okay, there is multiple terraces as you can see. So 1 2 3, as you can see there, 1 2 3 4, whatever it is, multiple terraces around it and step leading down to the garden. So all the water comes to the terrace to the main garden. This is the main garden. Okay, this main garden. Okay, this is okay. This is actually the raised bed gardening structure. The structure are created like this. The structure is created like this. Okay, so this is the normal area. There may be roof, maybe barren land, anything and everything. This one, this one. So this is the raised structure. Raised structure. This one, and this is nutritious new soil. Let me change the color. Okay, this is the nutritious soil. This is organic soil. This is onion plants actually. Onion plant. This is the onion plants, as you can see. Okay, this is the cucumber kind of plant. This is onion. This is cauliflower. Something. This is onion plant. See the growth there. This is the barren land. There is. Let me show you. This is the barren land. You can see the onion structure and see the onion structure here. Okay, this one is compare these two, this structure and this structure. There is very little growth onion. This is the all grown structure. So you can use less water, organic material, and raise the bed above the normal ceiling. Okay, this is all you have to know about raised gardening. Gardening. Okay, there is raised bed gardening. This is benefit. How to construct it. Chromate, copper, arsenate, and lumber is used. Benefits. Okay, extend the planting season. Reduce the weeds, reducing the proper cover, reduce the poor native soil. In the place of poor native soil, we can use this poor native soil. We can use raised bed garden with organic material for more vegetables and everything. The other variety is a sunken garden. Waffle garden is very okay. It is used by, okay, let me show you. It is used by Juni people. It is kind of English garden. It is the climate. It is the arid climate. It is arid climate. And the clay wall are built around the planting area. The plant are watered by filling the bed. So thank you, this is Shunku, and I hope actually you understood something about from this video. So I will see you in the next one. I love you all.